Therefore, if you look at the history of Christianity, throughout the history, Christians were persecuted, they were killed, and there was trouble. That is our share in the suffering of Jesus. But that is not the end. We will be rewarded for that. And our reward is not here on earth. Yes, here we do get, but our final reward, Jesus himself will give us in next life. We have to realize this. If you look at most of the saints in their life, suffering was there. Most of you heard about Padre Pio. He's a saint now. A very saintly Capuchin priest. He was blessed with the wounds of Jesus on his body. But if you read his life, you will come to know how much he suffered. The devil has to come in the form of a wolf to attack him. So many temptations for him. So many misunderstandings from his own colleagues in the monastery. But he remained firm. He suffered all that. Today, let us ask for this grace, that whatever may be our suffering, that we may remain faithful to Jesus till the end, that he may give us the grace to accept our suffering and to endure our suffering and offer this suffering for the salvation of the world.